Yes. Till yesterday, what we done? We created modules. Okay, we created a module. So module in the sense like a one file. Okay, one file which is having definitions of our program. Okay, whatever important definitions are there or whatever important functions are there, we are writing all the functions in one file or two files or three files. N number of files we are writing, and those files or those definitions we are importing in another file. Okay, another file. This collection is called as a module. Okay, this collection is called as a module. Now yesterday we gone through like a the file name is mymath.py. Okay, in mymath.py I wrote only two definition. You can write a n number, guys, 100 definitions you can write, but here in addition function what I did, okay, simply a plus b and written a plus b. See here also same subtraction a minus b, written a minus b. So we wrote this simple two lines of code. Okay, and what we are doing, and this is a one more file we wrote with the two functions, and here greeting one and name multiples is one. And what we are doing, we are calling, okay, we are calling those functions, okay, those functions by using this syntax. Okay, from what is your file name, the file name, then after import, if you want all the functions then you can use star, or if you want only few functions, okay, few functions, then you can use the particular. If you want to rename that, okay, if you are feeling addition is a little bigger keyword, okay, subtraction you are feeling little bigger word, then you can give alias name. Okay, alias name by using as keyword. Okay, by using as keyword you can create alias name. Okay, then once after creating alias name you can use like this. Okay, by using alias name you can use, if you want, okay, if you want the bigger name. Okay, addition 30 comma 40. Okay, control s. Now observe this one, just a second. cd this one. Next, what is my file name? My file name is module2.py. Okay, python module2.py. Okay, I got the result. This is for, okay, this is for addition operation. Again, this is also for addition, and this is for subtraction. Addition. Okay, this is also for addition, and this is for subtraction. Okay, so like that, if you are giving alias name, or if you are using full name, it will accept, guys. But don't write like this. Sometime alias name, sometime full name. Don't write like that. Continue with one flow. If you want to go with the same name, you can write simply like import addition. Okay, import addition. Or if you want alias name as add, okay, everywhere you can go with the add only. Okay, don't again go with the add and addition. Okay, it will make little confusion to you only, so better avoid this. Write only one thing, whether if you want to go with alias name, go with alias name, or if you want to go with the full name, you can go with the full name. Now now I want to know whether it is a module or not. Okay, whether it is a module or not. Then previously we will create one file. Okay, we will create one file that is called init. Okay, init file. So how to create init file? Now I will show you. So here PyCatchy file is there. Okay, in PyCatchy there are two files. Just a second, I will show you from here. Okay, PyCatchy file is there. Is it visible, guys? Okay, in PyCatchy there are two compiled Python files are there. We not require this one. Anyway, these are modules. When we are writing with other files, okay, if you are going for functions, there is no PyCatchy file. See, okay, when you are working with modules, okay, module, this file is generated. Anyway, one more file is also there. Okay, that is called underscore underscore init. This time it is not required, but previously they use it like a underscore underscore in it, but this time not required. It will automatically fetch that is like a module file. Okay, underscore double underscore is there in it, and again double underscore dot py file. Okay, dot py file. Yeah, nothing to write, only simple, this much is enough. If you are creating underscore underscore in it, that is enough. Then by seeing this file, the person will understand this is a module file. Yeah, this is a file. Okay, if you want, if you have any doubts, just give me a second. Where is our this one? Yeah, inside users. Okay, Durga. Where is our anaconda navigator? Anaconda. The applications, not in applications. Just a minute. Users Durga, app data, local programs, Python, Python 37. Yeah, this is our path. Yeah, so here we are now. Okay, if you want to check any files, okay, any files, this many C files are there. We don't require C files. Okay, library related. Yeah, if you see PyCatchy file is there, means what is this? This is like a module. Okay, this is like a module. Now if you observe any of this file, okay, collection I am going, yeah, this one, if you observe this files a little clearly, here one file is there called underscore underscore init. Okay, underscore underscore init. If you go inside of this, okay, notepad plus plus. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, they wrote some init related files, but it is not like a mandatory to write in a init file. Okay, sometimes if we required we can write but if we not required we will not write. But most of the time init will we will write for classes. Okay, here they wrote for classes. So the topic comes in that time I will inform you. And PyCatchy file is there, means this is like a module init and a PyCatchy file. Sometime PyCatchy will not be available. That init file is available. By seeing this, we will understand this is a, like a module. Okay, these all like a modules only. Wherever you want to go, tick enter. Yeah, tick enter inside PyCatchy. Okay, is it visible, guys? This is PyCatchy. All compilation files will be there. Okay, and if you see, this is like a init file. Yeah, there you will get a related init files. Okay, they wrote something. This much information they wrote, but generally we will not write anything. If we required, we will write. Okay, present not required. That's what I am saying. So like this, wherever you are seeing underscore underscore init underscore underscore, that is called a module. Okay, that is called a module, guys. Remember, this much is enough. Okay, any file wherever you are seeing underscore underscore init, this is called like a one module. Okay, this is like a inside a library. JSON is our module. Okay, JSON is our module. Getting right, guys? Anyone having any doubt? Import lib. Okay, import lib also having underscore underscore in it. Okay, like it is not like a mandatory you need to write, but if you are writing the opposite person or something like that, the next person will understand. Okay, this is like a module. So better, if you want, you can write. If you don't want, Python will also knows that is like a module, so that it will compile. Got it? Anyone having any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now, now if suppose like this, okay, like this, I am having more number of library modules. Okay, more number of modules, that is called as a library. Okay, that is called as a library. Inside library you will get more files with. Okay, n number of files, there will be like a folder inside, again files inside, again files, like files in folders inside files, and files inside functions. Okay, functions inside, sometimes variables also available. So we will use that variables also sometimes. Okay, not all the time, we will use sometimes that variable. So you need to go through once before starting the particular module. Okay, before starting that particular module, you need to start, or you need to check whether what is that function or what is that module. Okay, if you see here SQLite is there. Okay, inside SQLite also I have underscore underscore init. So if you go and inside this one, see, they wrote only single line. Okay, they wrote only single line. These all are comments only. Okay, this is single line they imported. From here to they will connect again SQLite 3 DB API 2. So we need to check where is this DB API 2. Here is only there. Then if you go to here and check this, so this is a DB API. So here they wrote more information. Like a one function they wrote. This is one function. Okay. They called same function with the same this one. Okay. Direct they are calling. Okay. After that they are deleting also. Okay. Clean up namespaces. Okay. Anyway, like that we can create n number of files, guys. Okay. N number of files we can create. That will not make any problem. Now, yeah, here is also an init file. So wherever you are seeing underscore init file, okay, that is called as a module, guys. Remember, this much is enough. Okay, now, so if I want to install, okay, if I want to install one package, okay, from package, how can I install? Okay, there is a famous like a website available. I will show you just a minute. Python, okay, .org, this one. Python package index. Okay, python package index. Here we will get a more number of libraries. Okay, here we will get a more number of libraries. By using those libraries we can what we can install and we can use that library. Suppose I am looking for uh, image related library. Okay, search for image. Just a minute guys, my network a little issue. And your files will be I upload tomorrow. Okay, not today. Yesterday files also I not uploaded, but okay, no issue. Tomorrow I will give all the videos. Okay, pip install image hyphen image. Now click on this, or you can copy like this also. You can copy like this, or you can copy by using by clicking on this one. Okay, copy to clipboard. Now if you come here and if you right click on this, it will type, or you can see and type also, it will not having any problem. Now pip install. Okay, python package installer guys. Pip stands for python package installer. Okay, python package installer installer image hyphen image. Now if you click enter, okay, if you click enter, it will automatically fetch the library and it will install automatically. So sometime it will be having less functions, then it will be installed very quickly. If it is having more number of files, okay, more number of files, it will take some time. Suppose pip install. Okay, pip install tensorflow. Okay, tensorflow. Yeah, see, it is having 444.0 MB, so it will take more time. Okay, all libraries, all related modules, all the packages it will install. So do like if suppose your package is a lesser size, then it will install in less time. If your package is more, then it will take some time. Okay, got it guys? Anyone having any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Yeah, so like this is about modules guys. Okay, how many modules you want to do? Okay, how to install already existing packages? Okay, those things we can do. Okay, yeah, so in it understood, right? Anyone having any doubt in it said? Okay, then we will go with the next topic called files. Okay, this will do guys. Don't worry about this. uh, yeah, remember this particular web page name, py sorry py.org. Okay, the next topic is files. Okay, till now we are creating this type of files. Okay, till now we are creating this type of files. Then if I want something like text file to read, okay, I want a text file to read. How can I read the text files in my python file? Sometime we will write some not only text file. If you want to read any type of file, okay, any type of file, then how can we read in a python? Okay, how can we read in a python? Then just a minute guys, control yes. Okay, I'm creating new folder. Okay, there is no rule to create each time new folder, guys. Okay, okay, I'm giving like a file1.py. Okay, So till now, what we are doing, we are simply creating our own file and we are reading that file, or we are doing some mathematical operations, functions we are writing. Then if I want one file, okay, I want one file to read or write or something like open or create CRUD operation, all the CRUD operation, create, read, update, delete. Okay, just a minute. CRUD. Okay, first one like a create, okay, then read, okay, then update, okay, then delete. Okay, these all operation we can do on files. Yes. So now for this one, generally most of the time, if we are not using any libraries, we can simply use like a text files. Okay, to open any type of files, we use else concepts. Okay, now in our this one we use most of the time text files. Okay, text file, whatever files you want to open you can open, guys, but most of the time we will open the text file. Okay, inside text files, okay, inside text file we will write the data. Okay, write the data, and next one we will read the data, and next one, okay, we will update the data in the text file. Okay, next one, we can delete the file. Okay, this many operation we can do. So first of all we will go with the opening the file. Already if one particular file is there, okay, one particular file is there, how to open that file? Okay, how to open that file? Then after we will check one by one, like a CRUD operations we will check. Now for that the basic syntax, opening the file. Okay, opening the file, the syntax is open. Okay, this is like a function. Okay, this is like a function. In this function we need to give, okay, we need to give the different modes. Okay, the file name, after that we need to give modes. Okay, there are different modes available. Okay, we will see all the modes, but remember the syntax. Okay, okay, what are the different modes available? First of all, if we go for modes, there is like a R. Okay, R stands for read mode. Okay, if you are giving this, okay, you can read the file. Okay, next mode W. Okay, mode W, you can write the file. You can write the file. Next mode A. Okay, append, you can add extra lines to existing files. Okay, extra lines to existing files. Next mode X. create the, okay, here I will write like a read mode, write mode, append mode, create mode. So what we will do here, we can create, okay, we can create the file, okay, we can create the files. Now what I am doing, for time being I am creating one file, okay, this is like a my test, okay, my test dot txt, okay, what is my file name, my test dot txt file, okay. In this file I am writing like a, this is my test file, okay, this is my test file. Save this one, okay, I saved this one. Now if I go into file, what is my syntax, open file name and its mode, okay, open file name and its mode. So first of all open, okay, open, then after your file name, what is my file name, my test, okay, my test.txt, okay, I don't want mode now, simply I want to open this one, okay, I want to open this one. Then after opening, okay, after opening we need to check, okay, whether it is opened or not. For that I am taking one file variable or file object, okay, f1, okay, what is that, f1 or f, you can take 8, you can take anything, you can take. Now print, okay, print f1, okay, print f1. Next, next, print type f1, okay, print type f1. Now yeah, this is fine, control yes. This is not yet done, just give me a second. Yeah, inside files, control C, cd, okay. Here if I observe, I am having two files, one is a file 1.py and one more is like a my test.py, okay. If I want to run, okay, python file 1, okay, if you check, okay, if you check, is it visible guys, like a io text wrapper name my test.txt, okay, what is this one, okay, my test.txt we are opening, okay, io text wrapper like that it is showing, this is like indirectly file, okay, this is like a indirectly file. Anyway, what I required, mode I required, if I not given any mode, okay, I not given any mode, but still it is showing like a r, okay, still it is showing like a r, and encoding method it is showing like a cp 1252, okay, 1252. Then we will discuss about this encoding, but I want this one first. So mode is r, okay, mode is r. Initially what we discussed, there are few modes, okay, r mode, w mode, a mode, x mode, but I not given any mode. The syntax is like a modes, okay, when I give the mode r, then only it should read. But what happens when you are directly not giving any mode, default is like a r mode, okay, default is like a read mode. Because of that reason only, in my output it is showing like a mode r, okay, it is showing like a mode r. And what is my file name, my text dot my test.txt, okay, and the class is this, okay, class is this one. Now I want to read, okay, I want to read that file, okay, I want to read that file. Then how to read, okay, or if I want to write that file, okay, how to write. Those things we will discuss now. Anyway, control C, Okay, here I am writing like a not. Okay, if you not mention mode, default default it is default it is read mode. Now here this time I am giving like a mode R. Okay, mode R. Now control S, again I am compiling that. Yeah, same like a previous one, there is no change. If you are giving, okay, if you are not giving, mode R should be is like a default value. Now now I want to read that file. Okay, I want to read that file. Okay, now what is my file object? It is like a file variable or file object, whatever you want to say, you can say. Now read. Okay, read. This time I don't want a tag. Okay, simply what I am doing, f1 dot read. Read is my method. Okay, read is my method. Sir, I want to check all the methods before read. Okay, before read. Yes guys, you can check. Just give me a second. Print dir f1. Okay, dir f1. Now observe the output. Yeah, if you go little clearly, just a second, control C. Yeah, so here onwards, okay, here onwards you can use all these methods. Read, readable, seek. Yeah, so these all methods you can use guys. We will go with a few methods only, like a read method we will see now, and closed. Okay, seek method. Yeah, we will check one by one we will check, don't worry. Now if I want to read what is there in a my test.txt. Okay, my test.txt. Yes guys, you can do that. Just a second, triple quotes here. Okay, and triple quotes here. Okay, now okay, what is my test? This is like a my test.file. Okay, or what I will write, I will write like a hello world. Okay, hello world, hello world from the file. Okay, from the file. Now control S. Now print f1 dot read. Okay, read is a method guys. Read is a method. Here somewhere they mention like a, this is a method, read method. Now observe the output. Okay, what is my file name? This one only, right? Now if you observe little clearly, okay, this is there in my file. Okay, hello world from the file. Okay, this time I am not printing, I mean I not wrote any print statement in a file. Simply I wrote some text in a file. That text I am reading. Okay, that text I am reading. The text is what? Hello world, hello world from the file. Okay, hello world from the file. Where is my file? Yeah, here if you observe little clearly. Okay, here If you want more lines, yes guys, you can write a, okay, this is the first program for the files in Python. Okay, this is the second or something like that. This is the third line in the file. Now, observe the output, guys. Yeah. So previously it is like a single line in my file. Okay, single line in my file. So because of that reason, the output also single line. Now this time I have three lines. Okay, I have three lines in my file. So because of that reason, those all lines it is printing. Okay, those all lines are like now three lines only there. So it is printing over three lines. If you have 10 lines, 100 lines, it will print all 100 lines, guys. Okay, how many lines you want, you can do that. Okay. Got it? Anyone having any doubt till here?
No, sir.
No. Now what I'm doing, I'm simply reading the file. Okay. Till now what I'm doing, I'm simply reading the file. If I want, okay, if I want to do some action, okay, do some action on that or something like I want to delete that file or okay. And one more thing, like present my file exists in, okay, present my file exists in same directory, right? Okay, here only my text file is there, here only my dot file is there. If somewhere in a students, okay, somewhere in a students, I will write a here, okay, here I am having so many files, okay, maybe that is a dot py file also fine, okay, I am having different files here. So if suppose this location is different, right, if I want this print 4, okay, print 4 function or something like functions I will take, what we will take function 5, okay, function 5, I want a control C, okay, just a second guys, okay, I want that particular function 5 okay, function 5 file, then how can I get, okay, control C, control V. Now there is a path called, okay, path, there is a, this one is called path, guys, okay, this one is called path, control X, okay. Now what is my file name? Functions, functions 5 or what? Functions 5. Okay, functions 5 dot, what is my file name? Dot py. Okay, dot py. Now what I'm doing, I'm given total path. Okay, previously I given only single path, but this time I'm giving like a full path. Okay, full path. Then just a minute guys, we will compile this. Okay, uh, yeah. So it is showing like a something invalid argument. Okay, invalid argument. So something like it is showing error. Okay, error. You need to give like this. Okay, double slash double slash double slash. You need to give like that. It is showing. So just a minute, or at least one. Yeah, yeah. To this one. It is fine. Uh, in folder last file. Yeah, this is fine. If we are getting any error, then we will check. Yeah, what is there in my file? This much is there in my file. Okay, function.py having this much information. Okay, from here onwards, okay, from here onwards it is like a my file having this all information, my file having, guys. Okay, getting right guys. So this is all information I am having in that particular file. So you can give if it is there in your existing folder, so don't mention like a path, it will automatically read. If you are having some certain location, okay, some certain location, you can give like this, okay, you can give like this, the total path you need to pass, okay. So like this we will get wherever the file is there, okay, wherever the file is there you can read that, okay. And suppose I want only few lines, okay, few lines, few lines or few words or few characters only we want, then how to do that? So for that again I am changing back to, okay, this one I am keeping in a comment, okay, control C, control V. Now in my test.txt I am having three lines, okay, this much is enough for me. Now control S. Here you can give the number of lines, okay, or number of characters, okay. There is a separate function called read lines, okay, read line and read lines, these two guys, okay. One is this one read line and one more is this one read lines. So present we will go with the number of characters, okay, present we will go with the number of characters. Then just a second. Now read of 5, okay, 5. Yeah, no. So if you observe, okay, if you observe our my test.txt, 5 characters are hello, okay, 5 characters are hello, and sixth character is space, and again 5 characters world. So till now I printed this one, but if I want hello world, so this total then I need to give 11, okay, just a minute guys. Now okay, anyway, file object is open, so you can directly do this one. Again, you need not to open. You can simply read f1 dot read 11. Yeah, if you observe little clearly, okay. Previously we are taking like a 5 characters, okay. 5 characters we are taking. Now this time 11 characters. So like this, n number of characters, okay. How many number of characters you are looking? That many number of characters you can read, guys. Okay, it will not create any problem. Got it? Anyone having any doubt till here?
No, sir. Got it, sir.
Now we will go with one more method. Read line. Okay, read line. Now, okay. Again, I am taking same text file. You, if you want, you can change, guys. Okay, no issue. Now, now I want to read line. Okay, read line. And here, open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Yeah, this is like a by default it given like a first line, okay, by default it given like a first line. If I want second line, okay, if I want second line, how to read a second line, third line, fourth line, or something like line by line, if I want to read, how can I read? So for that I am doing small thing. This is third line, right? So third, this is like a fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now this time I am having more number of lines. Then once again, yeah, I got a single line. Now one more time I am using same function. Now observe the output, guys. Yeah. So hello world from the file. Then this is the first program of the file in the Python. So this is second line in my text file. Okay, this is second line in my text file. So like this you can read number of lines, or if you want to pass this to for loop. Okay, if you want to pass this to for loop, yes guys, you can do that. For I in, okay, something like a range, okay, n number of lines, so that many number of lines. Simply I am giving like a 10 here. Okay, this time I don't want a, okay, just a minute guys. Control E, control V. Okay, now observe this one. This is like a first line, second line, third line, fourth line, like that. I got all the lines. Okay, I got all the lines whenever you required this line. Okay, line by line you can go with this one. Anyone having any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Okay, okay, then we are opening. Okay, we are opening. Sometime database is opened. Okay, then after some other person want to use. Okay, database will not allow to use two persons at a time or something like the same operation at a time. Okay, so we need to close from one side and we need to open from one side. Okay, suppose maybe it is like a few seconds. Okay, suppose like a on same in a particular field. Okay, in a particular field some guy is working, or some guy modify. Okay, and the next guy it will not allow to do same operation. Okay, on that particular field, I will tell you. Okay, this is like a my table. Okay, this is my table. Okay, these are my fields, right? Now, okay, ఈ పర్టికులర్ బాక్స్ దగ్గర, ఓకే, ఒక పర్సన్ ఏదో మాడిఫై చేస్తున్నారు. ఓకే, సంథింగ్ ఆపరేషన్ ఈజ్ డూయింగ్. ఓకే, modification. Now the next guy, one guy, if he is doing something, okay, it will not allow the next guy to do operation. Okay, so then how to do that? So first guy should close this one. Okay, first guy should close this one. Then it will allow for second guy to open this one and modify something. Okay, open this file and modify something. Then in the database, that is fine. In a files concept, how we can do that? Okay, how we can do that? Then here, sorry, now here one concept is called, means one function is called close. Okay, close. Just a minute. Control C, Control V. uh, Okay, here we opened, right? Now to the end of our operation, okay, after operations done, we need to close that. So close. Okay, we need to close that. Now observe this one, guys. Okay, before showing this, I want to show. Okay, now okay, this is open, right? First line it is printed. Now how many times I want, that many times I can do, right? Okay, like this I can do. Okay, then if I close this one, okay, if I close this one and I am opening one more new terminal, okay, in a new terminal I closed that, right, terminal. Now if I go here in a files, control C, cd, control V, now ls, okay, python file 1.py. Okay, it is already opened, right? It is already opened. So it will not allow to other guy to do some operation. So because of this reason we need to close the end of the file. Okay, so because of that reason we are writing function called close. Here it's shown or not? Close this one. Okay, close. Now okay, it is closed. Like this we can do whatever operation we want. This many operation we can do, guys. Okay, these all methods are there. These all methods you can use. Got it? Anyone having any doubt? ఇక్కడ వరకు ఎవరికైనా ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందండి? ఎప్పుడైనా మీరు ఫైల్ ఓపెన్ చేశారు అంటే ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది లైన్, ఓకే, లేదు ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లాస్ట్ లైన్లో f1 డాట్ క్లోజ్ ఇలా సింటాక్స్ వాడుకోండి. లేదు అంటే నెక్స్ట్ పర్సన్ని, ఓకే, ఒక ఫైల్ని ఇద్దరు ఓపెన్ చేసేలా ఉంటే ఇక్కడ మనం ఒకరే వాడుతున్నామండి. అందుకోసము we can't check 2 persons at a time, but whenever you are checking in a database or some other server, it will not accept other guy to open. సో అందుకోసమని మీ ఆపరేషన్ అయిపోయిన వెంటనే దాన్ని క్లోజ్ చేయాలి. Got it?
Yeah, Anil garu.
Okay, so what we will do, we will stop the session here. Okay, we will stop the session here and we will continue from tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much, guys.
Anil garu,